Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today I'm in my messy garage and I'm going to start a project. 79 Vette. It's got some chipped up paint here on the nose, some cracking in the paint, and it has a crack right here over the right front tire and the wheel lip. And they're like right there. So to fix this, I'm going to drill a hole at the end of the crack. I'm going to grind out the back side of this, put some fiberglass matting and fiberglass in there, and the same in the outside of the groove. And I'll have to paint, blend the paint in. So I'm going to be painting and clear coating this and that nose cone. Drilling the hole in that fender right there. And you can see the paint's cracked up in here too. But that's just the paint crack, that's not a fiberglass crack. I have 7/32. I was reaching for a 3/16 drill, but my fingers kind of went to this one first, so that'll be good enough. See, what that does is stops the crack from going any further. Don't have to do it down here because that's the edge of the part, and that backside is going to be built up nice and thick. So now I got to dig away some of this. I'm going to use PPG DX330 wax and grease remover. I have this dug out, but before I really start sanding on this, I need to jack the car up, make it easier to work on, because when I start painting and all, I'm going to get down in the bottom, and the higher this is, the easier it'll be. And I'm going to cover the car with plastic and only, like expose the areas I'm working on. I'll just keep dust out of the car where it doesn't need to be. I'm going to take some time and get this jacked up, covered up. Taking the tire off, lug nuts are different. There's 4 of them that are the same. Take a 3/4 inch socket. This other one takes a 13/16 socket and has a washer on it. Okay, get the tire off, just like that. Now I can get inside here, grind all that down good, clean all the area up where I'm going to fiberglass it. Yeah. Okay. Time to get to work. got the car covered up so that the sanding dust will be contained away from a lot of the car. This is not the final cover up. This is just preliminary as I sand. It's not going to be like this when I paint. I'm going to do a much better cover up job. So now I can start sanding away at all this. Got to get up inside here. Get outside, up in here. Got a 40 grit sanding paper on my 3-inch grinder. I have at it. It is an extremely humid, hot day today. I am just pouring sweat. I need to really grind a groove right along that crack before I fiberglass it. I got the backside all cleaned off. Looks like that. That should be good. Give that somewhere for that fiberglass to go in. Seal that off. Okay. I'm going to sand down this front part with my DA. I have 80 grit on here. Try to get these stress cracks out of here. I have all the nose cone area sanded down, ready for epoxy. The epoxy primer that I use says to put it over 80 grit sanding scratches. In this whole upper area and part of this front is already sanded. Won't be ready. I mean, it won't be long at all before that's ready. Now I gotta sand this. Well, you can't even see what I'm sanding, can you? I'm gonna sand this area. Because up here, this is gonna have Duraglass on it. That's a Bondo type material. And this in here, and on the inside is gonna have fiberglass resin with the liquid hardener in it and cloth. But still, the Duraglass and this fiberglass resin need a tooth. They need a rough surface to grab onto. So I have to sand all this down so that they can adhere and hold on for forever, I hope. And I'm going to finish doing this. And I've been in here for almost 4 hours today. I think I got a lot done. The heat and humidity are wearing me down. I'm just sweating and don't have the energy to keep going. So that's going to be the end of part 1 from Dan's Messy Garage, doing some paint touch-ups on a 79 Vette. Please stay tuned to my channel for updates to this project and other projects to come.